there's these three guys. They went on a safari together in Africa, and they were new to everything there. So when they saw a huge shadow on the ground because of something that flew across to them, they were all like, "What is that?" And then the safari expedition leader, he was saying, "Oh, that's a foo." And for those of you that don't know what a foo is, it's a blue and white bird. Kind of looks like the blue heron that you find in America or even here in Pennsylvania. And it's just about 3 times bigger than our heron here. And so those new guys, they were admiring the foo, and they noticed that it kept circling over them. And finally, on one circle around these guys, the foo decided to poop, and it pooped everywhere, and it lands on the one guy's head. And then the safari expedition leader is like, "Don't wipe it off." He's like, "You'll die." And then the guy, he thought the leader was just playing a trick on him he was trying to make him wear boo poop on his head. Thought they were making fun of him, so he wiped the bird poop off his head, and right after he did, he died. And the safari kept going on. It was just now the expedition leader and one other guy, and they had to get out of their jeep because it got stuck in one of the rivers that it was trying to cross. So they're trying to push it out. But as they're pushing it out, the leader didn't know he had some splatter from the first time the food pooped on his leg. So when he stepped in the water wiped it off, and he too died. So now there was just one man left all alone in the middle of the safari. He knew he needed to get back to safety. He was more afraid of this food than he was of lions. So he's walking back, and unfortunately for him, he noticed the foo circling over his head again. And the foo pooped on it. He was upset, but he knew he had to live his life with this poop on his head. So he walked back to the town, walked around. People started to complain that he stunk really bad, and he couldn't stand it himself, so he knew he couldn't take it any longer. So he hurried up, wiped all the poop out of his head, and he died. The moral of the story is, if the foo shits, wear it. Alright, today I'm interviewing my younger brother, Ben. He's my youngest brother. He's 8 years old. Come on, Ben. Come on over. I have some few questions, and he'll be telling you about what's quarantine life like for a second grader. So, Ben, what are some of the things you've been doing since you've been stuck at home?
Well, working on a computer and doing, we have to find equivalent amounts of just coins.
Mm-hmm.
Of, say it's 82. We'd have to put, a few 3/4 and, a nickel and 2 pennies. We have to do things like that. And we have to do reading stuff, like text to self, text to world, text to text.
Okay. So do you think you like schooling here at home online, or do you like school in person better?
School in person.
Yeah, I figured. So what are some of the things that you'll think you'll be trying to do for fun since you're going to be stuck here at home for the next few weeks?
Probably play outside a lot and go fishing down at our pond.
Yeah, that sounds like a really fun time. Hopefully the rest of quarantine goes well for you. That's all I have for today. See ya. Say bye, Ben.
Bye.